removing this cap from this electrode, and then I will insert this cathode electrodes and the thermosensor in this solution, and see, it should be properly inserted in this beaker, and then after that, see, it has been properly inserted, and then I will press the measure button of conductivity meter. See, then afterward I will wait for some time so that this digit should be stabilized, and then a hold signal will be there, display unit. So when it is displayed hold, then I will record the data of the solution. See, it has displaying hold. I will record the record data and the temperature
with units.
With a microsiemens, it is 586 microsiemens.